Is your chain starting to look like this? It's time to clean your motorcycle chain. Hi, thanks for watching. I'm John. Today we're going to clean our motorcycle chain. So here's a list of all the things you're going to need for this job. One, you're going to need a stand to get that tire up so we can spin the tire and get the chain much easier. There's your cleaning and lube, brush, extra brushes, a rag to do some wiping, and you need your cardboard pieces. This is going to save your floor. If you don't care about your floor, don't worry about this, but definitely you'll need one to put in behind the chain. Because as you spray the chain, it's going to get through and onto your tire. Kind of a mess, so here you go. So as you're doing this, just get the can, make sure it's spraying in the right direction, not your face, and just apply not too much, just enough to cover the top part of the chain. Give it a spin, spray some more, and continue. I'm just going to do this until the whole chain is covered. Okay, so the whole chain is sprayed. I'm going to let that sit for 5 minutes and let it get in there, but you know what? I'll go wait for those 5 minutes. Let's open up the rim brush. There. And while we're at it, we may as well scrub the sprocket here. That's looking a little gungy too, but let's make it look nice. All right, it's coming up pretty good. You can see that their chain's getting a little bit shinier there. So I'm just going to give it a wipe here, just to get the extra grease and grime off of it. I just want that chain shiny like new again. Now this is a good time to also look at your sprocket here on each of the teeth. Just going to slowly go through it here, looking at each one, making sure they're not chipped, cracked, or worn on a certain side. If that is the case, you definitely want to consider getting another sprocket or having it looked at by a professional mechanic. While you are at it, is just to clean the rim here. A lot of the grease will fly off and get into the rim as well as the underside of your motorcycle. The other thing you can see right here too is the tip of each of the sprocket teeth. So just give that a look at, make sure that there's nothing you need to worry about. Okay, so now that's all done. We've cleaned the chain pretty good. The next thing we need to do is just add some lube. The best way that I know how is to apply it right on the top here, underneath the frame, as well as the side. And then after that, we're going to put some on the outside of the chain here where the sprocket is. Now I'm going to put some on the outside here. Not too much, because this stuff is pretty good. So just be careful not to apply too much. The problem with too much lube is that it's going to fling up out on your tire and into the underside of your bike. You don't want that, so just give it a quick wipe here. All right, thanks very much for watching. Good job today on the chain. Looks fantastic. The sprocket's all clean, rim's clean, looking good. What I like very much is when I'm riding, I don't have to worry anymore about grunge and grit and other things that are in the sprocket there, just chewing away at it. So now I can ride with peace of mind, so I'm happy with that. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe and read the details there. I put a couple links about chain maintenance, especially the one from Revzilla. Lemmy does a great talk on proper maintenance and chains, how they're made. Very informative. Thanks so much. Take care. Ride safe.